I've got this self-watering pot here, and here it comes in a 2-pack. The main thing I wanted to know about these is how does the self-watering work? So the process of setting this up is it does come with a tube. You do have to take the end off, and then you feed the end through another plastic piece. You put the styrofoam ball in, then you put the little stopper thing, and then you put this gauge on top. That is what the setup process is. So the setup is really easy. After that, I could not figure out how the self-watering works. So I took this into the shower. And the thing you need to know about this is from about here down, it's just empty space. There's nothing there. And then in this area right about here, there's kind of a water catcher. So that's where all the water goes. And then this main pot here, it has 4 kind of like cups at the bottom and then holes at the bottom, so you can fill this up with water. And I was never able to figure out how the self-watering worked, so I took it in the shower and then I filled it up, and I still don't know how the self-watering works. I should mention that these were sent to me so I could test it out, make this video. Hopefully this helps you. I'm mostly just trying to show you how this is, but my best guess for how the self-watering works is that it just counts on having water at the bottom and sucking up through the bottom, which in my mind is kind of weird. I don't know if I fully understand it. And in fact, you have to fill it up with quite a bit of water to fill up the tray inside, just to get it to the point where the gauge goes up. It has kind of an optimal level, a min and a max. And the reality is, if you get up anywhere above the min, that means you're putting a ton of water in here. The pots themselves are fine. I have them out here. I was actually getting ready to plant trees, but I don't know if you can tell. It snowed recently, so I will probably wait before I plant the trees. I like the shape, I like the size. This probably isn't something where I would want to go on vacation and use the self-watering mechanism thinking that it's going to water while I'm away. I really don't know if I'm missing anything. I've tried to show you this as best as I can. If you figured out how the self-watering works, please let me know, because I am very curious.